Today I'm going to show you how to make our family's favourite chocolate cake. It happens to be vegan, but no one's going to know. Peel, core and chop 5 cooking apples, or just 5 large apples. Cook them until they're a pulp and then just leave them to cool. If you make double, you can freeze half at this point, then you've got some ready for the next cake. Put 500 grams of plain flour, 400 grams of soft brown sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder and a teaspoon of salt, plus 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder into a mixing bowl. This cake has a really rich chocolatey flavour, and to add to that, put in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Next, add the liquids: 2 cups of oat milk, or whatever milk you prefer, and 2/3 of a cup of sunflower oil. What I love about this cake is you just throw everything in together. Plus 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to get the rise. Next, add 2 cups of the cooled apple sauce. You can make this apple sauce ahead, do it the night before, keep it in the fridge, or freeze it and get it out when you need it. Mix it really well, pour into an 8x12 tray, or it will do 15 large muffin cases. It's quite a big mix. And bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. Just test your cake and make sure it's cooked by putting a clean skewer in different places. As long as it comes out clean with no mixture stuck to the skewer, your cake's cooked. If it comes out with a little bit of cake mix on, no worries, just pop your cake back in for another 5 minutes. Everyone's ovens are different. For the frosting, you'll need 250 grams of icing sugar, 50 grams of vegetable margarine, and half a cup of cocoa powder. Dissolve the cocoa powder in 3 tablespoons of warm water before combining all the ingredients together. Do this with an electric hand whisk or a Kenwood and you'll have the fluffiest, lightest frosting.